Hey everyone, today's project is to install a dash cam in my Subaru WRX, and I think I do want it behind the mirror here so that it's out of my visibility from the driver's seat. I understand that might impact the eyesight technology in Subarus, but we're going to see if it actually does. So the first step here is I want to remove this trim piece because I do want the wire to be tucked under here. Maybe I'll run it along up under this way along the A-pillar and under the dash to get to this outlet right here. So what I've been able to find out online is I should just be able to push this trim down the windshield and then pull it off back towards me. We'll see if that is accurate. Hey. You just want to make sure you get this level and in the location that you really want to have it. Should be able to feed some of this excess wire back up in there. With that installed on the windshield, I'm going to feed the rest of the wire down on this pillar. Let me set the camera down to do this. It tucks all up in there. Real nice. Tucks behind this panel so you can't see it. And underneath the dash, it's pretty easy to loop under here. So there's an area here where I fed the wire up super easy. Just stick this up through there, pulled it through, easily reachable. And then I just noticed this, you can just pull down real easy on this to get the wire snaked through just a little bit here. That pops back into place. And now we can go ahead and plug it in. See if it starts up. It starts up. Brilliant. Tucked all out of the way.